case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In the case of Mark v. FSC Securities Corp., the United States Court of Appeals for the Sixth Circuit was centered around Ohio's securities-registration exemptions. The marking point of the case was the state's requirement for evidence that sufficiently proves each offeree has enough relevant information to make registration unnecessary. In addition to proving this, compliance with Regulation D's objective tests, which cap the number of purchasers at 35, was also a necessity. The importance was also placed on the belief that each purchaser, without accredited investor status, had adequate knowledge and expertise to assess the risks and merits of the investment. This legal battle was triggered when a limited partnership interest was exempted from Ohio's securities registration requirements, a decision that was fervently opposed by the appellants. They contended that the jury's ruling was flawed and lacked the essential evidence. Hence, it failed to support the exemption of the Malaga offering under Ohio's Blue Sky Law. District Judge Simpson, penning down the majority opinion, overturned the jury's verdict, deciding that the case sought more probing and subsequent judgments. Caught in the whirlwind of this lawsuit was IBC Arabian Investments, Inc., Financial Services Corp., and its affiliate FSC Securities Corp., all responsible for selling limited partnership interests in the disputed Malaga Arabian Limited Partnership. The appellants in this case, the Marks, made this purchase from FSC. Interestingly, Mrs. Mark was an FSC employee, and she sold the partnership interest to herself and her husband. Citing securities fraud and violations of registration requirements, the Marks mounted a challenge to rescind their purchase. The court's decision came down hard on FSC Securities Corp., as the corporation failed to make the case for the securities exemption from registration requirements under Ohio law. This led to the Marks being granted the right to remedies. The sale of their limited partnership interest had to be rescinded owing to the oversight in its registration. The initial decision made by the lower court was also reversed, leaving the case open for further deliberations and proceedings.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.